Hi guys, good morning. It has been a long time since I made a video. Should AF again. A long time since I made a video, and as you can see now, my hair has been dyed back to black as we have been in lockdown for about 3 weeks already. So yeah, that's fun. But that's okay. It is gonna be focused on like a lockdown glow up and a business glow up, so I'm really excited for that. And I'm just vlogging this entire day, or hopefully I can try and vlog this entire day. I just tend to forget to film. I'm setting up a challenge for me to do that started, so I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you like and subscribe to support my channel. Okay, so this is what I made. I haven't blended it up yet, but basically it's frozen banana and a coffee shot. So I'm gonna blend it up now. I was thinking the exact same thing. What do you mean? I think of it last night. I was like, oh my god, we can do it with the
spam and the egg and the
tuna or crab stick though?
yeah, the tuna pakai mayonnaise ya.
Yeah.
Apa ini mami yang chop.
Oh, so you're chopping? I thought I wasn't chopping. Oh, I thought your purpose today was to relax. Oh, I woke up early just to ca.
Black.
Okay, so today I am going to make sushi for fun. Basically, I'm just cutting up the ingredients so then we can like make a sushi ourselves. But yeah, that's fine. But now I'm gonna make some coffee. This is a new way that I like making. So this is the whole setup. So this is all our vegetables, our purple rice, some spam, crab meat, egg, tuna and mayo. This is really weird, but like we have green peas as well, which was really nice with sushi and some kimchi, and yeah, that is what I made for lunch.
Now I cannot open.
Yum.
Minyak. Ya, aku nengok. Langsung masukin dua lagi.
I don't know.
Ginger.
The cream cheese is so good.
Is that egg? Yeah. I love egg. Egg. Fake crab. It is actually a crab.
Imitation crab.
In layers. Exactly, it's fake crab.
Hey guys! So I just finished eating and I showered and did my makeup spotlight. So right now, some of the habits that I want to reintroduce my lockdown glow is saying my affirmation, as well as writing down my gratitude journal. I think I should guide before let's do the audio. And I'm trying to do for the 4th time that I haven't really finished. I never made through this challenge yet, but I really want to start it and lockdown and finish it. Is the magic challenge, and it's basically just writing out like what you're grateful for, and then each day is a specific challenge. And so main thing is to write down 10 things you're grateful for and why. So today is day number 7, magical way out of negativity. And so basically I have to write down 10 things I'm grateful for the day, and then also list 10 things about things that you're grateful for about a negative situation. And at the end of your list, I have to write thank you 3 times, and then for the perfect resolution. So that is a challenge, because try and do that, and then I'm gonna say my affirmations, and yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. Okay, so kind of halfway through my gratitude journal. However, I'm feeling super tired because I only slept like 4 hours last night. And I woke up just to cook for my parents. So and I slept at 4 last night, and I woke up at 9:30 to sushi for the whole family. So I'm very tired because it's the 2nd day in a row when I only had like 4 to 5 hours of sleep. And I literally just been looking down and chopping all the vegetables, so my neck hurts. So I'm just gonna push that to the side for now. How have I been? It's been ages since I have filmed a video. Last time was like a few weeks ago. I am not gonna release that video because it's all over the place. So I haven't really released a proper video in like 2 If you guys don't know, in Sydney, Australia right now, as of July, we're in lockdown, so I have plenty of time to things and improve things and learn new things. This is a great opportunity to do that. The first 2 weeks I spent feeling depressed. I wanted to go out and I realized I was made aware by myself how negative I was, and that's fine. Like, it's, you know, sad and lonely and feeling like everything out of control is a normal human emotion. I made aware of it and I decided to change my mindset. So that's why I'm implement all these habits that I used to do. Like, I stopped being grateful for a few weeks unconsciously. Things like this only comes with awareness. You just have to be aware of what I'm improving. My business has also been slowing down. I think I was like trying to do everything I could just to like make more sales. I was also feeling really frustrated as well. Like, I was posting like so much digital content, making it. I wasn't making the sales I wanted for like a 1 week period, which is sometimes, you know, this is going to be slow, and that's just the way it is. I'm trying to revamp my business and create new content, and something that I like for my business, my Instagram presence. My TikTok presence is pretty much there. I'm gonna have to post things soon because it's almost 3 and I haven't posted anything all day. I'm gonna quickly go post some content, but I want to take some like new of my jewelry, and this is out of my comfort zone because I have a block in terms of there's not great lighting in my house, there's not much room, everything's cluttered, so I'm not quite sure where I'm going to take the photos, but I'm going to try my best to make the most of my situation that I have right now. I don't want to go out because we have to wear a mask and we're only supposed to go out for exercise, so I don't want to go out and take photos. It doesn't help me anyways to get it off. Like, I don't get a $1,000 fine. So doing it in the house is the best option that I can. I bought some new stuff for it, props and stuff, which hasn't come yet, but it's the best possible thing I can do. Okay, so here's my setup. The ring light, the heater because it's so cold. It's my outfit. And of course I'm wearing still bottoms because, yeah, this is the first outfit. This is a bodysuit, and here is one of my jewelry pieces. Let me just go back to warm clothes. It was so cold doing that jewelry photo shoot. That's one pictures I took. I don't know. Here's this one. I really do want to improve taking a bit of photos for my jewelry business because I really want to put that effort inside and improve the look of my Instagram more. I also filmed some TikTok videos as well. I just need to edit them. Basically, what the format is, show you one here. So I usually just batch create like me with like some music, me and my face inside, and then I add some photos or videos of my jewelry. That's basically the TikTok. I at least post 3 times a day now. The more the better, because the more the better means the more reach customers have. So I post as frequently as on TikTok, and I'm going to show you guys. So I also try and improve my business cards as well. Okay, so this is my current thank you card. And this is my current jewelry card. Yeah, they're okay. That was my first design and they have done me a good service, but I want to improve my packaging, make it more cuter, and I also want to introduce new packaging for my jewelry as well. I used to sell them in organza bags like this, and I want to change it to make it a cloth packaging with my logo on it, so I'm going to try and test it out and see if it's good or not. I need to find a supplier for that so I can like put all my necklaces and like jewelry, and it's going to be really, really cute. So here is, I'm going to show you by camera. So this is my first thank you card design. I mean, it's my own design. So here's the front of it, and then here's the back. Here is the jewelry care card, all the information on it. Also, I have this design, this graphic that I'm going to add on like my descriptions. I also want to really improve my description as well. So here this is my designs. Like, give me your feedback. Comment down below like what you guys think about it so far, if any improvements I can make, any suggestions. That is the design so far for my next thank you card. And I also want to like get sticker labels of my business. I can like put it on my bubble mailer. I think I might design it and then just print it out myself because I do have sticker paper, and I just cut it, make it like a square shape to just easy to stick on. Now I'm just gonna open sauce because I'm a bit hungry and I'm gonna have some dinner soon, I think. And then also I need to do an edit mode TikTok so I can pre-make them and then just back. I'm not eating my dinner, just bibimbap. I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. This is the egg. I've like lift it up a bit. Can I kind of see the inside of it? Yeah, we just used like the leftover of like the vegetables, and then my mom added some cooked mushroom, bean sprouts, sauce, and my dad fried some egg. So that is